Imagine it's the year 2030. You wake up, check your phone, and discover that millions of jobs have disappeared. Not because of recession, not because of war, but because AI can now do those jobs faster, cheaper, and sometimes even better than humans. Sounds like a science fiction movie. Well, according to many experts, this future may be closer than we think. AI is already writing articles, creating videos, generating images, driving vehicles, and helping doctors diagnose the diseases. So, the big question is, will AI replace humans by 2030, or is there more to the story? Let's find out. Just a few years ago, AI was mostly used by big tech companies. Today, anyone with a smartphone can use AI. Students use AI to study, businesses use AI to create contents, companies use AI chatbots to handle customer support, programmers use AI to write codes. The speed of AI development is unlike anything we have seen before, and every month these systems are becoming smarter. This rapid growth is making people nervous about the future of the work. Now we are going to discuss about which jobs are most at risk. Let's be honest, not every job is equally threatened. AI is best at tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and digital. For example, data entry operators, basic customer support executives, bookkeeping, and routine accounting work, even some programming tasks. Why? Because AI can perform these tasks quickly and at a lower cost. If a company can get the same work done in seconds instead of hours, many businesses will choose automation. That's the reality. But here's the twist: AI is powerful, but it is not human. There are certain skills that remain difficult for machines, like leadership, creativity, emotional intelligence, negotiation, complex decision making, human relationships, professional judgment, strategic thinking, thinking about teachers who inspire students, entrepreneurs who build businesses, doctors who make critical judgments. These jobs involve much more than simple processing information, and that's where humans still have a major advantage. This is not the first time technology has changed jobs. When machine arrived during the industrial revolution, many people faced feared unemployment. When computers became common, people thought millions of jobs would disappear. And yes, some jobs did vanish, but new jobs also emerged, like software developers, digital marketers, cybersecurity expert, social media managers, professions that didn't even exist decades ago. History teaches us something important. Technology destroys some jobs, but it also creates new opportunities. Many people think AI is the biggest threat. I disagree. The biggest threat is refusing to adapt. Imagine two people, one who learns new skills and understands AI. The other one ignores it completely. 5 years later, who do you think would be more valuable? The person who works with AI, not against it. Experts increasingly believe that AI won't simply replace humans. Humans using AI may replace humans who don't. Now, if you are a student, this part is extremely important. Instead of fearing of AI, learn skills that become more valuable in the AI era. Communication, problem solving, critical thinking, leadership, sales and persuasion, creativity, and the most importantly, learn how to use AI tools effectively. The future belongs to the people who can combine human intelligence with artificial intelligence. Now, the question is, what will the world look like in 2030? By 2030, AI will likely be everywhere. Smart assistants, autonomous vehicles, AI powered healthcare, personalized education, advanced robotics, transformed industries. Some jobs will disappear, many jobs will change, and completely new professions will emerge. The world won't end, but it will definitely look very different. So, the question at the end is same: will AI replace humans by 2030? The answer is both yes and a no. Yes, some jobs will be automated, but no, humans won't become irrelevant. The real winners of the AI revolutions won't be machines, they will be the people who learn, adapt, and evolve. Every technological revolution creates fear, but it also creates opportunity. And the biggest question isn't whether AI will replace you, the real question is, are you preparing for the future? What do you think? Will AI create jobs more than it destroys? Or are we heading towards a world where machines do most of the work? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy technology, geopolitics, and future trends explained simply, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.